What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great morning. I just got out of bed. It's pretty early, 7:30 right now, but wanted to do a quick little Bitcoin update and analysis for you. Yesterday we had a nice bullish breakout. Found resistance at the same level we found resistance earlier. But in general, we'll take a deep dive into what's going on right now and whether we can actually get to our next price targets, which in my opinion would be between 17,600 and 18,000 ultimately. But 17,600 is really the strongest one. So reasoning behind this move, it's always hard to say. I mean, what you can see right now is that obviously next week we have a pretty, a pretty fundamental week coming up. As you are able to see, we get the inflation rate from the US on December the 13th, and we get the interest rate December the 14th. So altogether, just a very volatile market. And the expectation, I think, at this point in time is that these are going to be lower than expected. All right, the inflation is in some sort of a downtrend. And with that, we also expect the interest rates to go up even less, which is already what is expected from the consensus as well. So all that together leaves a more bullish market, leaves us with more bullish market circumstances, frankly. And we got a bullish breakout. Now, we have seen this earlier before, right? So if we then take a look at the price, we have seen this earlier before on Monday. There we broke above 17,100 because that's our biggest resistance level we broke above. And what we did afterwards is that we did not hold it. It was more like a fake out. We broke down immediately again, took a break retest off of 17,100 and started dropping down even lower. Right now, the thing is, and I also said this yesterday. Yesterday, when I saw that Bitcoin and Ethereum, by the way, had bullish breakouts, the first thing I did is I made a full in-depth analysis on the Discord channel, which are still out there if you want to check that out. The Discord link is down in the description. But that's written out. Right now, the most important thing for Bitcoin is we broke above 17,100. We found resistance at the same resistance level, at that 200 EMA, which is a very strong resistance level. So what's happening now is that we are going to probably drop down to that level at 17,100, right? And if we can actually find support there, so more like this, all right? So like we did Thursday the 1st of December, if we can find support there and actually hold that support for, I think I said in a group 16 or 18 hours, but let's just say 24 hours, so for a day, then I think we are, that shows momentum, that shows strength, and then I think we're heading up to 17,600, heading into the weekend, probably, probably somewhere like a Saturday, Sunday, and then next week is going to be pretty volatile, so it's going to be hard to analyze that now already. But as I said, I think the big fundamental events for next week are going to be bullish. Now, I will be back with more updates on that very soon. But for now, this is actually what I expect. I think a mix of the market circumstances, but also of the technicals. I mean, in the end, we are in a very bullish market structure as well. I think that mix is actually enough to make us go up. You can also see that this trend line works very well. When a trend line like this works this well, usually there's at least some bullish momentum in the price. All right, so that is what I expect. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great day and take care. Bye.